Oh my God. Do you sometimes get a mini heart attack like I did anytime you get a debit alert? Today I got one from Xbox and Charlie, we need to talk. What is actually going on with subscription prices in Ghana right now? Today, I feel like ranting a little bit. Tech companies are going deeper and deeper into our pocket every single month. And Charlie, the math is not even mathing anymore. I want to call out some platforms, talk about the dollar exchange rate, and Charlie, give out a solution that someone in Ghana needs to build like right now. Consider the main headache here, Charlie, the dollar. Let's look at Hulu, Netflix, and Xbox. Xbox charges about $9.99 each month. In America, it is just large money, but when it comes to Ghana, it is heavy money. Converting that to Ghana cedis plus additional bank charges, Charlie, it's really, really heavy. Sikapudo pa. And then when you are taking into consideration the conversion of the cedis, Charlie, the cedis fluctuate every single day and it's not stable. And because of that, you don't even know exactly the amount they are charging from your bank account. It's like a surprise billing, which comes every 30 days. And then it's not just about the dollar. There are some platforms which are charging in Ghana cedis. But as for them, they are even getting it all wrong. First, shout out to Snapchat. Snapchat really understand the economy. They are like, let's look at the economy and charge something reasonable. Snapchat charges around 60 cities every month, which is that's actually great value. And that means they really understand the market. And then we go to the ADEX, X and then Telegram. Telegram charges about above 100 Ghana cedis for each month subscription when you want to be on their premium. And X charges about 200 cedis when you want to be on their premium, which is, hey, wait, this is very serious. So just for an edit button and then a blue tick logo by the side of your name for verification. What's that? Yeah, don't you think this is very, very absurd? In this economy, hmm, just look at this. This is the part that even hurts me the most. Let's say half the time you don't even use those platforms. And then you just say you've been busy. But guess what? At the end of the month, they still deduct you. Tech companies actually love this. They depend on the hope that you forget to cancel your subscription. And when you can't forget to cancel it, they still take away your money. I honestly think this is a trap by tech companies for us to forget our cancellation. I've been thinking of a solution for Ghana. If any developer steals it, I don't have a problem with it. Just give me credits when you build the app. Okay, imagine that all of these platforms are grouped at one place where you can pay one time for all of these platforms. And it will come at a very subsidized or reduced rate because you are buying in bulk and then you get discount for them. And there's, if the person has this killer button to it, the pause button. Let's say, just imagine you are having a busy week or a busy month. You have schoolwork, you have projects to handle, you have a lot of stuff that's going on, which will not enable you to enjoy this Netflix or these programs you have subscribed to. And then you just hit a pause button. Then after hitting the pause button, oh Charlie, you don't get billed the next month. So when you're done with all this and you just go and then resume, then they start billing you again. That makes much more sense than what they've been doing currently. And I think it would really help. This solution I've suggested will save us a lot of money. Let me hear your suggestions in the comments and let me know which platform is actually taking a lot of your money. For me, it's this Xbox and Netflix. We could be, so state your own in the comments and let me think, will this solution help you? If you get your hands on an app that will help you to pause all of these subscriptions, would you also use it? Let me know in the comments. Kenisnerdy and Charlie, more Tuesday. Peace.